What's good, people? What's good? OnePlus Watch in the building. I ain't gonna wait. I ain't gonna hold you. So let's go ahead and get into it. What's good, y'all? It's your man Wayne Trainer. We are back with another joint. We got the OnePlus Watch 2 in the building. I know this experience from what I've been hearing is way better than what you got on that original OnePlus Watch, but nonetheless, I can't wait, man. I gotta get into this joint because this very well might be the watch I've been looking for to pair with my Android devices. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, as you see, I'm rocking the Huawei watch. The Huawei Watch GT4, by the way, it's an amazing watch, and I will do a video comparing this watch with the OnePlus Watch 2. So be on the lookout for that. But right now, we're just gonna unbox this joint and get some reactions going. So y'all know when I look at the camera like this, then I look like I'm checking out the watch. I'm looking at y'all. Checking out the watch, looking at y'all. This right here, I ain't put my hands on it. Let's get my hands on it. Hold on. Hold on. I feel like I want to get into the box first. Let's see what we got in the box. So we got a charger and some instructions or whatever. So let's go ahead and see what kind of charger we rocking with. Let's see. I think it's just a puck joint. Huh, okay. All right, that's interesting. So look, check it out. Puck charger, but the cool thing is that it looks like you can connect your USB-C cable to this. So it's still proprietary. I do not like proprietary charging. I wish that they did the Qi charging like I got right here on the Huawei watch, but it still uses pins. But I kind of like that, you can use whatever cable you got with it. I don't know. It's cool. It's cool. And it comes with the cable right up in there. I ain't gonna take it all the way out. We gotta get this watch up out of here. I went with the silver joint. All right, hold on. Let me get this little foam piece up out of here. Let's go ahead and ooh. Man, all right. See, I'm trash. So they got like these little legs on the side, right? And you gotta undo these and then undo all the little legs. It just, bro, y'all could have made this a little nicer, made my little unraveling situation look better. Now I'm struggling. All right, get that up out of here. There it is. There it is. Hold on, let me just look at it for a second, get a good feel for this, get a good look at it. But I don't know if many people have said this or said it at all, but the look of the watch seems to be inspired by the camera of the OnePlus 12 and 11 for that matter, because it's the same. But it's got a unique, it's uniform. It looks like the phone, so I like that. Got your little button right there. See, we got some juice. I don't even know if this is the button to turn it on. Yeah, we on. There we go. Felt the little vibration. Right. That's what you're rocking with. So here we are. We in the watch. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom this in for y'all a little bit so we can check it out. But bam. Hold up. Oh, I'm in Chinese. Hold up. All right. Hold up. Go back. Get that up out here. Yeah, give me my English. Okay. So we got to download the O Health app. So I'm going to go over here to the Samsung. We're going to get this O Health app. By the way, this screen protector is absolute trash. Do not get it. Yeah. All right, so here we are on the app. So let's go here to devices, add device, allow. Okay. OnePlus Watch 2. Looking for it. Bow, 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 bow. And the Huawei watch, man, is very comfortable. Very comfortable watch. We gonna rock. We gonna rock. All right, so signing in, but on wrist, man, I like the way it looks. I do. Now I'm big on these haptics. I'm huge on the haptics. So one of the, I'm not gonna call it a negative. It's not really that bad, but the haptics on the Huawei watch they ain't on Apple level. They definitely not on Google level. But we'll see what these is hitting for. Let's see, activate Google Assistant. Damn, should I even set that up right now? Bam, it's doing its thing. It's starting up. Here we are, man. We got watch faces. Okay. Hello, here's your new watch. For sure. All right, let's check them out though. Okay. All right, watch faces. They're not looking terrible. Not at all. Let me see which one I'm gonna rock with though. So I don't know about, like, a lot of people like doing I want a nice digital looking look. So something similar to what I got here. Let me show y'all. Something similar to what I got here on the Huawei watch. I want something like this on here. So I'm gonna for now we're gonna rock with the big face. We're gonna rock with this one. Okay. Learn how to use your watch. Not right now, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I like that. It's not bad. Hold up. Let's check that out. So yeah. First reactions, obviously pinch to zoom in. Also, we can do a little zoom actions and feel it. So there is no motion. Like, as you know, some of you may know, there is no rotating crown, no rotating bezel. So you just got button action. So that's all good. So we can swipe to the left. We got some cards right here. We got the weather. Let's see, can we go over more? And we got more clocks. Yeah. Little exercise and stuff right there. Cool. So now the dope thing about this watch is the battery life. That's what we're hearing about from a lot of people. Great battery life. The way they're achieving this is through like a dual OS kind of thing. So some of you may know or may not know, the Huawei watch has amazing battery life, but part of that is due to the fact that it's based on what we call RTOS type of software. So basically, it's a fitness watch, and that's essentially what OnePlus has done. It kind of doubled up what you're gonna get from your fitness tracking bands and a typical Wear OS watch, which is a little bit more powerful, you know, pretty much full Android for a watch or whatever, versus what you're gonna get here on the Huawei watch, which, like, it's essentially just a notification device. You can do calls and whatnot. So there is still some functionality there, and obviously with this being a Huawei watch, we don't get the full effect since, you know, it's a Huawei watch. But one of the reasons why I wanted to pick this one up is because you do get things like Wi-Fi over here, whereas I don't get that over here. A little bit more functionality on the OnePlus Watch, and I want to test some of that stuff out and see if, you know, the Wear or this dual S kind of thing holds up well when it comes to battery life. I'm not really much of a huge user when it comes to my watches anyway. There are a few things that I want to do and set up, like my man Ike. I guess he likes to use his watch for like controlling his home automation stuff. I would love to do that on my watch. I will be looking to figure out how to do some of that stuff on my watch. Never really done it too much in the past. I have an Apple Watch, and I don't even have the home kit situation set up on my Apple Watch, which I will be doing. So that's something I will be working on in later videos, but just checking this thing out, man. So apparently you can remap these buttons. What's the weather today?
Today in St. Paul.
I hear that speaking.
Forecasted high of 42 and a low of 23.
Okay.
Right now it's 33 degrees and sunny.
All right, so they give you the little breakdown of time, or each hour or whatever. I'm just messing around and make sure like it's it does seem snappy, responsive, and whatnot. So let's go over to settings. Oops, back. Damn it, is that back? Or I think you just swipe to go back. I keep pressing the button. I'm trash. All right, so settings, back. So I might end up changing this to list. I never really liked that whole thing. So controls, home button. Okay. Press twice to open. Press down. Okay, so cool. So you can press twice on the home button to get another function. So let's just say settings. Okay. That goes all the way back. Press twice. Oops. All right, so that, I feel like, I don't know if I'd want to update that, but like, so if you press it twice, oops, you kind of have to press it quick, but it's still, you see how it kind of goes to the app screen when you press it twice, and then it goes to the settings. So maybe a little update to kind of smooth that out a little bit. But yeah. Okay. Battery right now is at 59%. I may not charge it. It's saying it should last 2 days and 11 hours as right now, which is kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy for just a little bit over half and still get 2 days. That's kind of crazy. We got buds. I kind of want to get some OnePlus buds. I ain't gonna lie. But that's it, man. First impressions. I'm liking it. Let me see. That's the size comparison to the Huawei watch. Nice. Hold on, let me go home. Check. Hold up. Go home. There you go. There it is. Man, oh man. All right, so this is what I'm gonna be rocking for today. The OnePlus Watch. We ain't gonna charge it up. We just gonna rock it out as is. I wish I had another band, but it's cool. But like, subscribe, share, man. Do it up for your boy. Let me know what you guys think about this one. It's your man. We out.